ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి జేఈఈ అయినా నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Yesterday we are discussing about chemical properties of phenols. OH bond chemical reactions due to OH bond breakage and chemical reactions due to CO bond breakage and chemical reactions due to phenol ring reactions. So first type of chemical property, reactions due to OH bond breakage. Chemical reactions due to OH bond breakage. OH bond breakage chemical reaction, first chemical property, acidic nature and salt formation. Okay, that is completed. Today we are discussing about esterification reaction. Second chemical property, esterification reaction. Esterification reaction, ester formation. Yes, phenol C6H5OH, phenol on treatment with acetic anhydride CH3COOCO CH3, acetic anhydride in the presence of acid H+. Here acylation reaction takes place. Acylation, removal of acetic acid, and acyl group is attached to here ester formation. So here the product is oxygen COCH3. This is called as phenyl acetate. Phenyl acetate, it is a ester. Ester formation, byproduct is acetic acid CH3COOH, acetic acid. As phenol is treated with acetic anhydride in the presence of acid to produce ester formation. Similarly, here phenol is also reacts with acetyl chloride. This is acetyl chloride reaction with acetyl chloride in the presence of pyridine. In the presence of pyridine, phenol reacts with acetyl chloride in the presence of pyridine, removal of HCl, here formation of ester. This is ester formation. It is also called as esterification, here HCl. Okay, phenol is treated with acetic anhydride in the presence of acid, ester formation. Phenol on treatment with acetyl chloride in the presence of pyridine, ester formation. And one more reaction is also there. Here phenol on treatment with acid like acetic acid CH3COOH in the presence of acid. Here dehydration takes place. It is alcoholic property and acid plus alcohol is equal to ester formation. Oxygen here COCH3 plus water, ester plus water formation. Okay, this is esterification reaction. This reaction is responsible for the breakage of OH bond. Okay, OH bond breakage, chemical reactions of phenol, acidic nature, salt formation, first one, and second one is esterification reaction. Esterification is phenol with acetic anhydride, phenol with acetyl chloride, phenol with acetic acid. These reactions are also called as acylation reactions. Okay, these are also called as acylation reactions. Yes, and one more chemical reaction is also there, that is called as benzoylation reaction. Another one is benzoylation. Benzoylation reaction. Reactions due to OH bond breakage. One more example, benzoylation. Benzoylation. And one more example, benzoylation. Benzoylation means when phenol is treated with benzyl chloride, C6H5COCl, benzyl chloride in the presence of aqueous NaOH base. Here also breakage of OH bond and aromatic ester formation takes place. Aromatic ester, O, here CO, this is C6H5. This is aromatic ester formation. Phenyl benzoate. It is a phenyl benzoate, aromatic ester, phenyl benzoate. Phenol treated with benzyl chloride in the presence of aqueous sodium hydroxide to form ester. This is benzyl chloride. Phenol is treated with benzyl chloride in the presence of aqueous sodium hydroxide to form ester. Here one important question, salicylic acid OHCOH, it is salicylic acid. When salicylic acid is treated with acetic anhydride in the presence of sulfuric acid, what is the expected product in this reaction? Okay, salicylic acid is treated with acetic anhydride in the presence of sulfuric acid. Here phenolic group, phenyl OH group is responsible for acylation. So here hydrogen with acetyl group, acetic acid formation. This acyl group is attached to oxygen. It leads to the formation of acetyl salicylic acid. This is acetyl, here COOH group. Okay, its name is acetyl salicylic acid. Acetyl salicylic acid. It is also called as aspirin. Acetyl salicylic acid or aspirin. Okay, salicylic acid is treated with acetic anhydride in the presence of sulfuric acid to produce acetyl salicylic acid or aspirin, and byproduct is acetic acid, ACOH. ACOH means acetic acid. Acetyl salicylic acid is also called as aspirin. Okay, what is the main importance of aspirin? It is used as analgesic. It is used as analgesic. It is also used as anti-inflammatory drug, anti-inflammatory, and it is also used as antipyretic drug. These are the main uses of aspirin. Aspirin is used as analgesic drug. It is also used as anti-inflammatory. It is also used as antipyretic drug. Okay, these are the important uses of aspirin. Okay, most important question. Salicylic acid on treatment with acetic anhydride in the presence of sulfuric acid to produce acetyl salicylic acid. This acetyl salicylic acid is also called as aspirin. Aspirin is used as analgesic, anti-inflammatory and antipyretic drug. Yes, these are the chemical reactions due to OH bond breakage of phenol. Then go for second type of chemical reactions, carbon oxygen bond breakage. Chemical reactions due to CO bond breakage. Second type of chemical reactions, reactions due to CO bond breakage. Chemical reactions due to CO bond breakage. Second type of chemical properties, reactions due to CO bond breakage. CO bond breakage in phenol. Chemical reactions due to CO bond breakage. Yes, here phenol C6H5OH, phenol. Phenol on treatment with hydrogen chloride HCl, phenol on treatment with phosphorus pentachloride PCl5, phenol on treatment with ammonia, phenol on treatment with ammonia and followed by ZnCl2 at 300 degree centigrade temperature. Yes, here it is a phenol. Okay, phenol is a weak acid. It is a weak acid, phenol. So weak acid, acidic nature, hydrochloric acid is also acid. So acid, therefore here no reaction between phenol and hydrochloric acid. When phenol is treated with the phosphorus pentachloride PCl5, carbon oxygen bond breakage takes place. CO bond breakage, OH group is replaced by chlorine. So, your aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place. to produce chlorobenzene, and byproduct is phosphonyl chloride and hydrochloric acid HCl. Chlorobenzene, POCl3 and HCl. Here phenol is weak acid, ammonia is base. Here ammonia is also acts as a strong base when compared to phenol. Therefore, here also no reaction. But this ammonia molecule is treated with phenol in the presence of zinc chloride at 300 degrees centigrade temperature. CO bond breakage takes place. This OH minus nucleophile is replaced by NH2 minus nucleophile. Therefore, we are getting aniline C6H5NH2 aniline formation, and byproduct is water H2O. It is chlorobenzene and this one is aniline. These are the chemical reactions due to CO bond breakage in phenol. CO bond breakage in phenol. HCl, no reaction because of both are acids. PCl5 reaction, chlorobenzene formation. Ammonia, no reaction. But ammonia in the presence of ZnCl2 at 300 degrees centigrade, aniline formation takes place. Then third type of reactions due to phenolic ring or aromatic ring. Aromatic ring or phenolic ring. Third one, reactions. Third, chemical properties. Reactions due to phenolic ring. Reactions due to phenolic ring. Reactions due to phenolic ring or benzene ring. Yes, especially a type of reactions are electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. In electrophilic substitution reactions, especially benzene, it is aromatic system. On this aromatic system, your substitution is present. Substitution. Here substitutions are two types of substitutions: electron donating groups or electron releasing groups. If the substitution may be electron withdrawing group or electron acceptor. If electron donating group or releasing group is present, electrophilic substitution reactions, EPS, electrophilic substitution reactions, preferably takes place at ortho position and para position. Ortho position means 2 and 6th position is ortho, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second position, 6th position, both are ortho, and para position is 4th position. If the substitution is electron withdrawing group, electrophilic substitution reactions takes place at meta position. Meta position means 3rd and 5. 3 and 5th position is meta. 2nd and 6th position is ortho, and 4th position is para. Okay, electrophilic substitution reactions. Why electron donating groups are present on the benzene ring? Electrophile is preferentially attacks at ortho position and para position because of at ortho and para position electron density is high. Electron density high. For example, if you take your electron donating group is OH group, C6H5 here OH, it is phenol. On this benzene ring, OH group is electron donating group. This type electron donating group. If this electron donating group, the pair of electrons donates to benzene ring, as a result at this carbon electron density increases. So pi bonded electrons shift towards adjacent carbon. As a result at this carbon negative charge. Now this pair of electrons involved in the resonance adjacent pi bond electron shift towards para position. So it gets negative charge. Now this pair of electrons involved in the resonance pi bonded electron shift towards adjacent position. Then what happen here? If this is electron donating group, electron density is high at ortho position. Negative means electron density high. Here this is negative means electron density high. Here negative means electron density high. If electron donating group is present on the benzene ring, electron density enhances at ortho positions and para position. Therefore, electrophile is preferentially attacks at ortho position. E plus means electrophile. Here also same. Electrophile is attacks at ortho position, or electrophile is attacks at ortho position. Okay. If substitution is electron releasing group, electrophile attacks at ortho position, para position. Why? Because at ortho positions and para positions electron density high. Due to high electron density, electrophiles are preferentially attacks at ortho position and para position. If it is electron withdrawing group is present, electron density is high at meta position. Therefore, electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at meta position. Okay, this is the fundamental concept. Based on this, we can easily write the all electrophilic substitution reactions on benzene ring. Electron donating group, electrophilic substitution reactions preferably takes place at ortho and para. If the substitution is withdrawing, electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at meta position. Okay, already you know electron donating groups are OH group is electron donating group, chlorine electron donating group, amino group electron donating group, and primary amine electron donating group, secondary amine is also electron donating group, here NR2 is also electron donating group, and NHCOR it is also electron donating group, OCOR is also electron donating group. If these groups are present on benzene ring, electrophilic substitution reactions takes place at ortho and para. If electron withdrawing groups like NO2, nitro, and cyanide, and sulfonic acids, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, anhydrides, if all these are present on benzene ring, electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at meta position. Okay. For example, here substitution is NO2, nitrobenzene, if CN, cyanobenzene. In all these cases, electrophile is preferentially attacks at third position or fifth position. Third or fifth means meta position. Okay. These are the electrophilic substitution reactions. Now in phenol, electrophilic substitution reactions, nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, different types of electrophilic substitution reactions are there. Right now, one by one, we are discuss about electrophilic substitution reactions on phenol ring. Yes. So first example is example 1. Electrophilic substitution reaction, nitration is the best example. nitration reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction, nitration reaction. Nitration reaction. Yes, when phenol C6H5OH, when phenol is treated with diluted nitric acid HNO3, diluted nitric acid, this is phenol. When phenol is treated with diluted nitric acid, electrophile is NO2 plus electrophile. This NO2 plus electrophile is attack at ortho position or para position because of OH group is electron donating group. If electron donating group is present on the benzene ring, electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at ortho position as well as para position. So therefore, this NO2 plus electrophile is attacked at ortho position. So we are getting orthonitrophenol. Orthonitrophenol. This is orthonitrophenol. If this electrophile is attacked at para position, here one more product is obtained, that is para-nitrophenol. It is para-nitrophenol. So orthonitrophenol and para-nitrophenol. Para-nitrophenol is major compound, orthonitrophenol is minor compound. Now this mixture is separated by this mixture is separated. This mixture is separated by using steam distillation. By using steam distillation. Okay, by using steam distillation. Yes, phenol, when treated with dilute nitric acid, electrophile NO2 plus is preferentially attacks at ortho position. We are getting orthonitrophenol. If it is attacks at para position, para-nitrophenol is obtained. So this mixture is separated by using steam distillation process because of here in para-nitrophenol and orthonitrophenol. In orthonitrophenol, intramolecular hydrogen bond is possible. This is OH group, N double bond, O, orthonitrophenol. In orthonitrophenol, intramolecular hydrogen bond is possible. Okay, this is called as intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. But in para-nitrophenol, intermolecular hydrogen bond is possible. OH group here NO2 and one more para-nitrophenol OH group NO2. Between hydrogen and oxygen, hydrogen bond formation takes place. Now this hydrogen bond is called as intermolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding, intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, intramolecular hydrogen bond means the hydrogen bond formation takes place within the same molecule is called as intramolecular hydrogen bonding. The hydrogen bond formation takes place between the two molecules is called as intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So in orthonitrophenol, intramolecular hydrogen bond formation. In para-nitrophenol, intermolecular hydrogen bond is possible. Due to intermolecular hydrogen bond, in para-nitrophenol, boiling point high Melting points are also high. Solubility is also high. Viscosity is also high. Viscosity high, but steam distillation, steam volatility, steam volatility is low. In this intramolecular hydrogen bonding, due to the presence of intramolecular hydrogen bonding, boiling point is low, melting point is also low, solubility is also low, but viscosity is also low, but steam volatility is high. Okay, once again repeat, this is very, very important one. When phenol is treated with dilute nitric acid, NO2 electrophile attacks at ortho position and para position. If this electrophile attacks on ortho position, orthonitrophenol. If this NO2 electrophile attacks at para position, paranitrophenol. Among these two, paranitrophenol is major, orthonitrophenol is minor compound. Now this mixture is separated by using steam distillation process. Why? Because of in orthonitrophenol, intramolecular hydrogen bond is possible. In paranitrophenol, intermolecular hydrogen bond is possible. Intermolecular hydrogen bond is stronger than intramolecular hydrogen bond. Therefore, paranitrophenol melting points, boiling points, solubilities, viscosities are high when compared to orthonitrophenol, but steam volatility is low. Here steam volatility is high. And one more important one, if this phenol is treated with concentrated nitric acid HNO3, what happens? Okay, if phenol is treated with concentrated HNO3, dilute HNO3, orthonitrophenol, paranitrophenol formation. If it is reacts with concentrated HNO3, what happens? Your concentration of nitric acid is high. Therefore, NO2 plus electrophile is attacks at all the positions, like ortho positions and para positions. Therefore, we are getting OH group and NO2, here NO2 and NO2. This is called as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. Okay, it is a 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. This is also called as picric acid. 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol is also called as picric acid. Why 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol is called as picric acid? Phenol is a weak acid. Its acidic nature increases by introducing electron withdrawing groups like NO2 groups. Here 3 NO2 groups, 3 electron withdrawing groups increases acidic nature. Therefore, it facilitates the H plus ions very easy due to the presence of NO2 groups, electron withdrawing groups. So therefore, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is called as picric acid. Why? Because its acidic nature almost is equal to the carboxylic acids. Why its acidic nature equal to carboxylic acid? Because of 3 NO2 electron withdrawing groups which are present on the phenolic ring. They are withdraws from electron density from oxygen atom. As a result, it gets positive charge. Hydrogen is a electropositive. In between positive repulsions takes place. Due to repulsions, it can be easily releases the H plus ions. So the released H plus ions are almost equal to the carboxylic acids H plus ions. Therefore, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is also called as picric acid. Okay, this is nitration reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction. Then go for another electrophilic substitution reaction. sulfonation. Sulfonation reaction. Second, electrophilic substitution reaction, sulfonation reaction. Yes, when phenol is treated with phenol on treatment with sulfuric acid H2SO4 at 100 degrees centigrade temperature, it gives para-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. Its name is para-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. Para-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. If electrophile SO3, in this reaction electrophile is neutral electrophile, that is SO3. If this neutral electrophile is attached at ortho position, ortho-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid is formed. But SO3 is the bulky electrophile, steric hindrance arises, therefore para-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid is the major product. So you have to write only para-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, when phenol is treated with sulfuric acid at 100 degrees centigrade temperature, electrophilic substitution reaction takes place to form para-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. And one more electrophilic substitution reaction, bromination or halogenation reaction. Okay, bromination or halogenation reaction. Yes, when phenol is treated with bromine carbon disulfide, in the presence of carbon disulfide, in this bromine plus is the electrophile, OH group is electron donating group, bromine electrophile. So this electrophile attacks at ortho position or para position. Therefore, if bromine electrophile is attacks at ortho position, ortho-bromo-phenol, this is ortho-bromo-phenol. Okay, ortho-bromo-phenol. If bromine electrophile is attacks at para position, para-bromo-phenol, this is para-bromo-phenol. Para-bromo-phenol is major, ortho-bromo-phenol is minor. Similarly, it is treated with bromine water. Bromine water, this is most important one. Bromine water. When phenol is treated with bromine water, bromine electrophile attacks at all active sites of phenol. All active sites of phenol, bromine, here OH group, bromine electrophile is attacks at ortho position, para position and ortho position. Okay, all active sites, ortho position and para position. This is called as 2,4,6 tribromophenol. 2,4,6 tribromophenol. It is a white precipitate. 2,4,6 tribromophenol is a white precipitate. What is the main importance of phenol with bromine water? It is a qualitative analysis of phenol. This reaction is a qualitative analysis of phenol. Qualitative analysis of phenol. Bromine water, when bromine water is added to the phenol, it gives 2,4,6 tribromonophenol is obtained. It is a white color precipitate. Bromine water, red color. Bromine, red color. This red color decolorizes to colorless. That is nothing but phenol decolorizes the bromine color. Phenol decolorizes the bromine water. Phenol decolorizes the bromine water. Okay, this is very, very important, students. It's once again bromination of phenol. Yes, phenol is treated with bromine with carbon disulfide. Orthobromophenol, parabromophenols formation takes place. But it is treated with bromine water. All active sites are occupied by bromine. We are getting 2,4,6 tribromophenol. It is a white precipitate. That is nothing but bromine is red color, bromine water, bromine liquid. It is a non-metallic liquid, red color non-metallic liquid. It becomes colorless. So that's why this reaction is a qualitative analysis of phenol. That means phenol decolorizes the bromine water. This is bromination.